Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oil, always good to moisturize. Alright, so let's start right into the video. Here I am showing off a little bit of my hair. They are called microlocs. So I've had my microlocs since November 2019. Here I'm showing you the length and the back of my hair. Okay, I'm done showing off. Alright, so here I am separating my hair in sections, and then I just twist, and then I twist the twist to be able to do a bantu knot. So you see here, I separate the back of my hair in two sections, but it's really up to you. You guys can do it a little bit smaller, and it'll still give a good result. So here I am twisting my twist, and then I roll till it becomes a bantu knot. You can secure it with a little elastic or a bobby pin. See, this is what can happen if you don't put any elastic or bobby pin, but the decision is really yours. All right. So it's gonna be like that the entire process of the hair. I'll let you enjoy the video. All right, and I'll get back to you pretty soon. Yes, okay, we're done. Girl, come through. All right, so next step is protect your hair. I suggest you leave your bantu knot all night. All right, so this is the next day. So I unroll the bantu knots, and then I'm gonna untwist my hair. So here, make sure you undo all the rolls. Here I am passing my hand in my hair to make sure I did everything. Oh, here I am missing one here. All right, and then I wet my hair. So here I was at my sister's house. I didn't have my spray bottle, but you can put water in a spray bottle and spray it to your hair and undo them. All right, you made it through the entire process. That's me when I'm done, you know, getting ready and all. The hair is all curled. Yes. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Mwah. See you next Wednesday.